Today we're going to take a quiz to see if you remember the present simple negative tense. Let's do a little review before the quiz. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video and share our channel to help us grow. Don't forget to subscribe for free video English lessons that come out every 5 days. If you would like to pause the video and check out our channel, we have a video that explains all about the present simple negative tense. The link to that video will appear in the corner around this area. When you are finished, we will meet in the classroom. Let's start the review. Just like in the present simple tense, the to be verb form changes with the subject. Welcome back. Let's get started. Let me explain the instructions before we begin. The question will come across on the screen, right about there. The answers will appear here and here. The correct answer will light up green. Don't forget to keep your eye on the stopwatch. You'll have about 5 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Let's get started. How did you do? I bet you did fantastic. If you missed some questions, it's okay. Just keep practicing and don't give up. You can do anything if you keep trying. See you next time.